Like I should treat myself. I should treat myself and get one, right? Lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here. I'm in the Sam's Club with my sister Marianne, and look what I found. I found some jelly and some peanut butter from Richard's. Peanut butter and jellies. That way I won't be running out. This one is priced $4.64 for the 2-pack of jelly, and then the Jif peanut butter is a pretty good size. That's crunchy. I don't want crunchy. They got the creamy for $9.77 for 2. Good gracious, you'll never run out of peanut butter. That is huge. So I'm definitely getting him that. Do you see this, Marianne? Tell the other people, hey, Marianne.
What's up, people?
So I think that's a pretty good deal, don't you think? $9.77 for these huge. He eats peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, 2 peanut butter and jellies every day.
Oh, you need to.
So I go through peanut butter and jelly. Okay, so I'm getting this. This is a good deal. To me, it's like $4.64 for the 2. That's $2.32 a jar. I mean, I can't complain. What do you think? It's 30 ounces. I don't think that's bad. Do you?
No, for Welch's, that's pretty good.
Yeah, for Welch's, I feel it is. And then for these grapes, how much were the grapes? $5. $5. I think it was $5.28 for this big old thing of grapes. I think that's good. I think my gallon of milk was like $3.58. For a gallon of milk. I mean, milk is high everywhere right now. So I don't think that's bad. And then let's see what Marianne get. What you get? Do you know I still got some of these in my freezer?
I take those to work.
Well, you need to get the ones out my freezer because I haven't been eating them.
Ma'am.
So how much is that?
They're like $10.
$10. That's not bad. And you get 12?
I mean, it lasts me a while because I take them to work. You can put them in the you can put them in the microwave, but I put mine in the oven.
But you're getting 12. That's
exactly.
Not bad. So how much is your big old bag of spinach?
$5, like $4 or $5.
Marianne drinks a smoothie every day with spinach, so
that's a good deal.
She's like a female Popeye. Good Lord, I can't.
That's a good deal, though.
And then the croissants. Now, the only reason why I'm not getting the croissants are really good. Let us know if you've ever tried these. These are like $4.98 for this big old box of croissants. They're really tasty. But Marianne's gonna put some of hers in the freezer. The last time I got them, I didn't use them and they molded. So that's why I'm not getting them.
Go bad. I've never had this, so I don't know.
Okay, so this lemonade. Have y'all tried the lemonade? Let us know about the lemonade if you tried it. This is strawberry lemonade.
Yeah, I've never.
How many you get for that price?
It's 2 for I think it's $5.
Okay, that's not a bad deal.
Yeah, but I've never had it, so.
Okay. All right, so the Aquafina, I got to get it. You know, it's my 32 ounce, and it is $5.28. I have to get it because it's $6 and some change at Walmart. And you don't even get this big of a pack. 32 ounce. Marianne don't even buy an Aquafina, but it's worth it. She gonna go Aquafina and she ain't gonna go back. She like her Walmart water, honey. All right, I'm torn because this particular Ninja right here, the Amber was telling us about it. My daughter was here before we got here. This one right here has the smoothie ability, and it can ice crush, and it can do extracts. And it's on sale for $69. It's normally $99. It's got a $30 instant savings. But this is the problem. I'm so... Because now that makes me want something that I didn't even want. It's got me wanting something that I didn't even want. This one right here, this one is the... This one does more stuff. Nope, this is the wrong one. Is this the wrong one, Marianne? Yep, they got them in the wrong place. That one is sitting there, but it's not supposed to be there. It's this one right here.
On the side, the one on the side.
This one on the side does more stuff. See, it does the smoothie, it does the ice crush, it does the extract, and it does the chopping and the dough. But I guess the reason why I'm liking this one, because it does the chopping and the dough. I don't need that because Marianne said use your KitchenAid. What do you need that for? But the chopping, I think, is what's making me want to get that one. This one is normally $159.98, and it's got a how much an instant savings of $40, so it'd be $119.98. I feel like I'm on the Food Network if I get that. Treat myself. I should treat myself and get one, right? Right? Convince me. Convince me. And Murray told myself, yep. All right, I am at home. It is actually Saturday. I'm completing this video, okay? But I actually did decide to get the Ninja Professional Plus. And this is the one that was on sale for $119. I haven't used it. I am really excited to unbox it and let you guys see the parts and things. What I was excited about this one, the main reason why I got this one, because I do have a bullet that I can do smoothies. But how often do I do smoothies? That was my sister's point. Like, I know you ain't buying it to do no smoothies because you don't even be making smoothies. And I really don't, okay? I don't have the time. I think that's what it is. I need to pre-make them at night. Okay. But the reason why I like this one, I really wanted to get this one, is because its ability to chop, okay? Its ability to chop, working like a food processor. So this particular one includes a 1400 peak watt motor base with auto IQ, whatever that means. It's got a 72 ounce total crushing pitcher, and it has two 32 ounce single serve cups with spout, lids, and pro extractor blades assembly, 8 cup precision processor. That's the part I wanted. And a recipe guide. Okay, all right, whatever. All right, so we got the quick start guide that's included in it, which is awesome. We have got ham sandwiches. This, wow, it's blade. Okay, all right, I'm gonna put that thing in it. And let's see what we got. All right, this is the pitcher. Let's see. Open here. They got the labeling telling you how to open it. They ain't playing. I love it. I love it. Okay, okay. You see it? Yes, that thing is big. I'm gonna have fun with this thing. It's so funny. Went to a cookout last weekend, and one of my husband's cousins was making strawberry daiquiris and was putting what's those things in them? It was candy. She was putting nerds. I think she put nerds in some of the daiquiris, but one of them she put Jolly Ranchers. She put Jolly Ranchers in the strawberry daiquiri. I think she put a little bit of alcohol in it, but I couldn't tell because I'm not a drinker, but that thing, these things was good. Okay, look how big this thing is. Huge, guys, huge. Look how big it is in proportion to my head. So yeah, this is really nice. Yeah, you got the lid. Yeah, this is plastic. I'm feeling this. I'm really feeling even better about my purchase. Okay, this is the lid for the pitcher. Okay, this is the lid, and it does open there. Everything's taped up, so we're gonna leave it alone. I gotta wash it and everything. That's ooh. There's the other one. It's got the blade in there. You know what? Because I have the Ninja Foodie, I already knew that any other products I buy is gonna be the bomb, okay? Because I love my Ninja Foodie. Absolutely love it. And my husband purchased it from Sam's Club as well. Now, what is this? I am just so excited about this thing. I just feel like I want to go make something. Yes, that thing is huge. This was a great deal, okay? This was a great value to me. to me. Now the question is, where the ham sandwich am I gonna store this thing? I'm gonna have to, something gonna have to move, and I'm gonna have to find a spot for it. Now this is the base, the motor, important part. This thing ain't light either. It's not light. All right, this is another top, and I would presume that this is for perhaps this one to go on to this one, the one that had the blades in it. Must be the top for this one. Yeah. Awesome sauce. Let's show you the motor. And this thing's got a little, it's got some, you know, it's got some size to it, but it also has some weight to it. It doesn't feel, you know, cheap. Okay, this is it right here. Yes, and I'm gonna tell you what, I'm another type of person that I like simplicity when it comes to electronics, okay? And this one to me is very simplistic because it's just got buttons for you to push what you want it to do. I mean, how more simple can you get than that? It's got the smoothie button, the ice crush, the extract, the chop, and the dough button, honey. You better do. And it's got the speeds, low, medium, high, and pulse. Yes. Yeah, I'm pleased with it. I'm pleased with it. Yeah. I am. That was a great purchase. Yeah. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I was just hanging out with my sister Marianne at Sam's Club, and I was not planning on purchasing this item, have not researched it or anything, didn't know anything about it, but I know I'm gonna enjoy it because I enjoy my Ninja food and I like Ninja products, and I wanted to purchase me Ninja knives that do not dull. I didn't know that Ninja actually has a set of knives that don't dull. I've seen them on Amazon. So I will be letting you guys know what I make. If I decide to make something, I'll probably video it so you guys can see it. If you like this video, let us know in the comments below the video. Can you please consider giving me a thumbs up? I would appreciate it very much. I've been doing, guys, I've been working on the green room. The green room is being transformed. I took the coupon stuff out of there and I put it in other parts of my house because I need to use that room divider that I originally had the stockpile stuff on to put my jewelry on. So when I do live sales of the jewelry, I will have a backdrop, and that's when I'm going to start doing live sales. I'm actually working on the website because the website, I just really haven't been putting anything on that website because I don't feel I've taken the time to really look at the website. Okay, I built a website many years ago, and to me it was a lot easier to navigate than this one, but I don't know. I think I'm just not taking the time to try it, so I will keep you guys posted with that. I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. As I said, it's Saturday. I just wanted to close out this vlog for you guys and do my unboxing with my people, my lovely people. I wanted you guys to share in the experience of the Ninja Professional Plus. All right, guys, have an amazing weekend. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.